In this video, I will show you how to fold Ringmaster. This paper airplane can cover incredible distances, and I've gotten this paper airplane to stay in the air for more than 18 seconds. Let's see this paper airplane in flight, and then I'll teach you how to fold it. All you will need to fold Ringmaster is an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper, or a standard printer paper. Now start by folding the right edge to the left edge. Crease well, and then reopen. Now you want to fold these corners to the center crease. Reinforce well, and then you're going to fold down on where these two creases intersect. Crease, and then reopen. Now you're just going to fold down on that crease we just made. Rotate the paper, and then fold the paper in half along the center crease. We're going to be folding this edge right here to the edge right there. As you can see, there's already an outline crease right there. Let's go ahead and reverse that crease. And lay out like this. Now, you're using your finger, just going to put your finger inside this pocket right here and just squash this fold down. As you're doing this, you want to line up this crease right here, this fold that runs right through there with this crease where this intersects. So just right there, just want to crease like that. There we go. Now, pay close attention on this step, as it is very important. Just these edges right here, you're going to fold these to the center. It's okay if the paper wrinkles, that is just fine. Now just reopen these. Now you just want to crease out all those wrinkles. Now, the highest point that these creases go right there, you're just going to fold up on that, and it should just touch this point right there. Just reference that, then reopen. Now once again, just crease out all those wrinkles. And now, just fold that point we just made right there. As you're doing that, just swing these layers will want to swing in, and just allow these layers to swing in, and then go ahead and crease them. There we go. Now, just fold this layer right here where it naturally wants to go along the center crease. There we go. Now, you want to open the paper like this, and as you can see, there's already a little crease right there that you're just going to fold down on it, and you're going to connect this point right here to that point right there. Basically, you're bringing that point right here all the way down there. Just pinch and then crease away. Then do the same on the other side. Just fold down right there until it touches that point. Now fold along the center crease. Now, fold from this point right here, the nose, all the way to the tail part right here. This locks the fuselage of the plane together and keeps those layers all connected. Be sure it runs all the way to that edge right here and not anywhere short, because if it's short, the plane won't lock together properly. After you do that, match the other side, like so. There you go. Before you start flying this paper airplane, it'll probably require some up elevator. You can do this by just bending the back edges of the paper airplane up, and this will help it not nosedive. Try not to bend them too far, as it'll just stall and crash. Now you have a finished Ringmaster paper airplane. This paper airplane, as you can see, it locks in its own 3-dimensional shape. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, it flies amazingly. I hope you enjoy this paper airplane, and please remember to like and subscribe.